Hey Hip Chicks, it is an absolutely perfect summer day. There's a cool breeze, few puffy clouds in the sky, and absolutely no need for air conditioning. I am one of those people that is always a little on the cold side, and frankly, I hate air conditioning because it might as well be winter. You're cooped up in the house, you can't hear the birds chirping and the lawn mowers running, and you can't feel the breeze. But I do understand that for many people, the AC is a necessity because of respiratory issues and allergies. So I want to share some tips on how you can get the most out of your AC, how to keep it energy efficient, how to make sure that you don't have any major issues because you're ignoring things that need attention, and to make sure that you are saving money on using it regularly. And make sure that you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos. My channel is all focused on saving you money, stress, and time as a homeowner. And I was just featured in an online article called Best YouTube Channels for Homeowners to Learn. So I'm super stoked that I was featured on this article, and I was the only female host that was featured, so that was pretty cool too. So definitely subscribe, and now let's dive into that list of home tips. The most important thing is to make sure that your windows are closed and locked for best energy efficiency. Seal windows by adding weather seal as needed. Make sure your fans are rotating counterclockwise in the summertime to pull the warm air up to the ceiling. Install a programmable thermostat. With everyone headed back to work, you can keep the house a little warmer while you're out. Replace that filter in your heating system. It really matters. Decrease the sunlight coming into your home. Keep your drapes closed to keep your rooms cool. If you have a window unit air conditioner, be sure to seal up the sides. Frost King Company has great gear to help with that. Be sure to check out the AC unit on the inside of the house. Stand by, look, listen, feel. Do you smell any unusual odors? Do you hear any odd noises? And definitely check all of these hoses just to make sure there is nothing leaking. There may be some condensate that comes out of the unit, and it should drain to your sump pump or to a French drain. And then you know everything is working. If it's not working well, if you have any issues, get it serviced right away. Get outside and check your external AC compressor. If you have any mold growth, you want to make sure that you're scrubbing that off. If there's any vegetation that is growing tight up against your unit, you want to make sure that you're cutting it all back. You also want to come down here to where your components are and just check for leaks. Are there any refrigerant, Freon that is leaking? Here is a hose that needs its cover put back on with a zip tie added for security. Just inspect this and see if you see anything that looks out of the ordinary. And also just stand by and listen when your unit kicks on to see if you hear any unusual noises so that you can have it inspected and serviced. Here's your bonus tip. Tell your people to shut the front door. So now that you are prepared to keep that AC running and keep your cool as well, I hope that you will subscribe and don't miss any upcoming videos. And don't forget to sign up for my Fearless Homeowner Hangout. Once a month, I offer a free educational webinar, and we tackle various topics. It is free to attend, and we do a deep dive. So make sure that you click the link above and that you get on that list so that you don't miss any of these educational events.